2,500 years ago, a prince named Buddha discovered something that could end your anxiety in a day. He walked away from his palace to find why humans suffer. What he found changed everything. He realized that all suffering comes from wanting things to be different than they are. You suffer when you want more money, when you want people to change, when you want your problems to disappear. The Buddha saw that our minds create endless desires. We get what we want, then immediately want something else. It's like drinking salt water when you're thirsty. The more you drink, the thirstier you become. But here's the breakthrough. He didn't just identify the problem, he found the solution. Stop fighting reality. Accept what is. Focus on what you can control. This isn't giving up, it's finding peace. Modern science proves he was right. Acceptance reduces stress hormones. Mindfulness rewires your brain. The path out of suffering isn't getting everything you want. It's wanting what you already have. Ancient wisdom, modern solution, timeless peace.